Okay, let's chat about the unusual movers as well in trade then. Gargi is here and she spotted a few. Gargi.
Well, the entire airline pack, Aisha, that's buzzing in today's session. Look at it, Jet Airways, the SpiceJet also on a roll, almost 5% increase on that one. Kingfisher also gaining about 2%, Kingfisher 3.5% right now. And all these stocks really gaining on the back of hopes that there could be some meeting, cabinet meet, in fact, in this week itself on opening up of FDI. There have been rumors floating earlier too, but we've not got any confirmation. But sources confirming, telling us that this week itself, the cabinet may actually move a note talking about opening up FDI in this particular sector. But one should really exercise caution because these rumors have been floating for a long time, and on the back of that, very good volume action also seen on most of these counters. Also take a look at Apollo Tyres, and Bank of America has given a buy recommendation. They've raised the target price to 135 rupees from the earlier 115. They've spoken about strong business prospects that we are talking about. Also margin pressure is easing. That could be one positive trigger going ahead for Apollo. 4% increase coming in on this counter. Now Jindal Steel and Power, this one has been in focus. It's been reeling under pressure since the time the entire Colgate scam has been out in the media. The IMG meet today in the evening is expected to decide on the fate of 29 coal blocks, but sources have been telling us it could be delayed. We may not see any cancellation actually happening right now, but sources also indicate that there could be 10 blocks that could be faced with a possible potential situation where they may actually face cancellation of these coal blocks. And Jindal Steel and Power, remember, has been in focus for the Jitpur coal block, where they had been given a show cause notice. So one of the companies that would be in the radar, but we have no confirmation yet. It's only a sentimental reaction coming in. 3.8% decline on Jindal Steel and Power.